In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from PayPal. We'll keep this simple and straightforward so you can move your funds with confidence. First, open your browser and go to the official PayPal website, then sign into your account. Make sure you see the secure lock icon in your address bar and that you're on the correct site before entering your credentials. Once you're in, you should land on your account summary where your available balance is visible. If your balance isn't showing, give the page a moment to load or refresh. It also helps to confirm that your account is in good standing and that any required verification is complete, as withdrawals may be limited on unverified accounts. Next, click on Send Payments. On many layouts, this takes you into the Money or Payments area of your account, where your balance and movement options are grouped together. If your interface looks a little different, that's normal. Layouts can vary by region or account type, but you're looking for the area that displays your current balance and the actions associated with it. From here, PayPal will guide you toward the withdrawal screen tied to your available funds. Take a moment to review what's on screen so you know which balance you're moving and the destination PayPal is set to use based on your existing setup. When the confirmation prompt appears, review the details carefully and click OK. This confirmation is your last chance to make sure everything is correct. Check the amount, the currency, and the destination that PayPal shows you. If you see any notes about fees or timelines, read them so you know what to expect. After you click OK, PayPal will begin processing the withdrawal. Processing time can vary depending on your location, the day of the week, and the method associated with your account. Some withdrawals complete quickly, while others may take a bit longer to appear, especially around weekends or holidays. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. Keep an eye on any notifications from PayPal in case they need additional confirmation, and watch for currency conversion messages if your balance and destination currency differ. If something doesn't look right after you confirm, you can check the status in the activity section of your account and contact PayPal support from within your account for help. That's all there is to it. Go to PayPal, click on Send Payments to reach the money section, then confirm by clicking OK. Follow these steps, review the details before confirming, and your withdrawal should move along smoothly.